Alright, so unfortunately, we were not able to bring the RSX to Acadia. There was an issue with the wiring harness, and it made it so the car would not move. I will be picking up a new harness, and the car will be repaired as soon as I get back. But for now, we've been driving the Integra. We did make it here last night. I didn't get any footage because we got here pretty late, so we kind of just set up our tent and hit the hay. But now we're about to go drive Park Loop Road and check out the Thunder Hole. We just stopped in at Everyday Joe's Market and Grill right on Main Street down in Bar Harbor. I'll show you guys the camp once we get back. Show you guys some cool spots. You know the vibes. Another big one? Alright, y'all, so this is camp. Integra posted up. Tent posted up. We cooking up some burgers right now. Don't mind the butter. We got all our shit set up. Chairs by the fire. Got wood for the fire tonight. Me and the girl, we went to the beach. Well, it's like a lake, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we was chilling. We got no spatula, so this is all I got for my cooking endeavors here. Beautiful. We're eating good. We had to get ketchup packets from Dunkin', but you know how it is. It's our last night here, and then tomorrow we head out, but yeah.
Look at that. Am I allowed to eat this? Like ass cheeks next to her right now. Stop.
Alright, y'all. It's pretty early in the morning. We gotta head out of here pretty soon and head back home. We got 380 miles back. We're probably gonna hit the gift shop real quick just before we go back home. Then we got a long drive home, so we'll see how that goes. The squirrels are fighting. camp is all cleaned up. First fill up with a trip. For some reason this thing won't take tap pay. And the only card I have is my Cash App card. Hello? Now the gas won't even come out yet. There we go. This gas station sucks. Let's see if it looks good. Yeah, the front wheels are dirty. Disgusting. She needs a bath. Coolant hoses be bulbous as hell. What the hell, boy? Hey, what's up, y'all? This is very future Jake. As you guys can see, I am editing the video right now. Literally finishing this up right now. Realized I have no outro. So basically, the coolant hoses, I guess, are collapsing from the inside. I think they might even be original. The radiator cap was not holding pressure anymore, so it's shooting coolant out the top, and the hoses are holding too much pressure for their age. So we got some new hoses coming in. I'll show you guys that when they get here. I think we'll make a big video out of that because we got some cool aftermarket parts coming with the new hoses and all that. So do like a little engine bay makeover. I got another video to edit after this that I'll be putting out in 2 days. This video should come out tonight. Well, finish tonight, come out tomorrow morning. So you guys will be seeing it. If you guys stayed to the end of the video, I'd just like to say thank you. Like, subscribe, comment. Comments are awesome. Help the algorithm. I'll respond to you guys right away. Any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that. And yeah, if you enjoyed, then you're cool, and ball out.